It's sad. Obviously, I've been to every lecture, like the face-to-face ones, and I feel that sometimes it's just like 1 hour straight can be a bit of a push sometimes, and it's easy to lose concentration. Anyone can lose concentration. I can actually go home and listen to them again, and if I've got anything not list, I haven't got any notes I've made up, I can just add a bit more to it, and it's very good for revision during exam time. So that's what I think about it.
Lecture capture as a system, it allows for us to actually understand, the lectures more in depth than outside of the lectures. So you can, view it in your own time, in your own leisure, and go at your own pace. Sometimes the lectures might be quite fast in the lectures, but you'd want to know why they are talking about like a specific subject, for an instance. So that's why, like lecture capture is a great system that you can use it in your own home, in your own space, and you're able to manipulate what they're talking about on the software that is provided on.
So I actually feel that it's made some of our lecturers make the sessions more interactive. So I actually enjoy lectures a bit more since we've had it, because I feel that they include games where we all link up on our phones, and then it's a lot more interactive. It's like they've changed the way, just because they know that we will be going back and watching that many times. It's as if they've made more of an effort. So that's what I think it's really good for. And I think the fact that if you've missed something in note-taking, then you can go back and cover it. So that's what I like about it, really.